Hello guys, welcome back to my channel to another recipe. Today we're just going to make some vegan scones without sugar. I find that I don't put sugar in just because the jam that I use is already sweet enough for me, so I don't really need the scones on their own to have sugar. So we'll get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope it was helpful for you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Go ahead, jot that thing down to the floor. I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, it's celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more.